On this one, we're going to be calculating the percentage based off of another normal distribution. And we're going to be starting by looking at this one here on B. Now, why we're going to be using the z-scores here is because notice the numbers we're working with. It says mean of 32 ounces and a standard deviation of the volumes of the soda bottles is 1.2 ounces. And it says what percentage will have a volume which is less than 31.46 ounces. This is a different type of number where we can't use the bell curve to approximate it. We have to use the z-scores and the z-score table. So here's the formula for z-score. Z equals formula. What we need to use in this formula is the letter here, which is the Greek letter mu. It stands for the mean of, in this case, 32. The looks like a circle letter, which is called sigma, Greek letter sigma. That stands for the standard deviation, and it tells us that it's 1.2. The value here, 31.46, that's going to take the place of x in the formula. So when we put this in the formula, it would look like z equals 31.46 minus 32 divided by 1.2. And we'll have to run that through a calculator and see what we get. What we're going to get here, I came out with is negative 0.45. And we looked that up in the table for z-scores. And I have that table here to go over with y'all. So let's try to find the negative 0.45 in the table. Now over here, notice the numbers that start with negatives, and we're looking for negative 0.4, and then we have to go across until we locate the last digit, which is 5, which is right here. So it's down this column here and this row here. Okay, so that's the value for the z-score of negative 0.45. Okay, let's look at that number here. That's negative, or not negative, that is 0.3264. Now let's zoom out again. Let's go back up here and then we can write our answer. From the z-score table, we're getting the number 0.3264, and that's a percentage number that we're going to take the decimal, change it into a percentage. And so the answer of what percentage have a volume less than, in this case it would be 32.64%.